Hey guys, Wednesday, March the 20th of 2024, U.S. pre-market open on nat gas. So without any further delay, let's check it out. As you can see, that point of control has been a wall of resistance right here, $1.76. This is the daily. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. And today's the fifth day that is having a tough time trying to close above that. All right, we do a trend line. You can see that we just got above it. So maybe that's a sign that maybe things are going to turn here, but known unless price action breaks above it. Looking at our simple glance chart, nothing's really changed. The only thing on the daily, we got a MACD buy signal, and we're in the chop zone on the mobile band. So that range is between 169 and all the way to 177 where the 20 SMA is. Once we get a break above that, things are going to start looking better for possibly 1, 2, 3. Or at least test this and see what happens. And if we could break above it, we're going to wave 3. Volume was to the bulls yesterday. Let's see how today goes. And that's the only thing. It's pretty much in a big range between $2 and $1.64. Yep, $1.64. In the mid pivot right here. Let's look at our 4-hour real quick. Our Gann grid. So far you can see that it's pulling back a little bit. We got the 25% right here as support. And this trend line has been adjusting, and I have it here now. Doesn't mean anything. I'm just trying to see when things break and see if there's momentum and speed to the upside. That's again 4 hours. Look at our Andrews pitchfork. You can see that we're still above this trend line, which is very important. So far, the candle's looking red on the 4 hours, so kind of like undecided. A little pullback. Maybe the bulls will show up on the U.S. session. I'm not too sure. See what the calendar is saying. Today is kind of like a flat day, so not really that much action in regards to trading day. Weekday is weak. And then tomorrow is the new year. According to Gann, the new year starts, and according to the Jews, it was the new moon on the month of March. Tomorrow will be bullish, as you can see on the dollar sign. So let's see if it's just pulling back to get another leg higher on nat gas. And lastly, our midpoint chart. As you can see, this line still remains resistance 176. Keep an eye out for the 22nd. That's the midpoint from the 2020 low. And on the weekday, we are below right now the $1.74, which is the weekly midpoint. But, you know, it's just oscillating back and forth, which is good. It's just consolidating and oscillating around the midpoint. So it's a matter of time that it's either going to break up, continue going sideways, or push lower. So far, it's below it. And on the daily, we are below 174. So these are the targets. So they're going to push it lower, 170, 168, 167. If it's going to go higher, 176, which we have to take out with force. Then 179, and then 180. And we know that 184 is the target to at least get up there and kind of oscillate back and forth here. Right now we're at 173. We're a little away from the zero line. So let's see how the U.S. session opens and what happens to price action. But so far, I'm still long. I'm just kind of waiting for the big move to happen and take it one day at a time. Hopefully you like this video, and I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on nat gas.